Hi guys, let us round the numbers to the nearest 10. Okay, for example, we have a number here which is 36. So we are going to round this to the nearest 10. First, we are going to put the number into its place value. So we say here we have 6 is units and 3 is tens. First thing is we're going to spot out the tens, which is 3, so we spot it, and then we look at the number before it or next to it is 6. This 6 is more than 5. If a number here is 5 or more, it will give 1 to 3, so we say 3 plus 1, 3 will become 4, and 6 will become 0. Okay, well, let us do some more examples. So here we have 23. So again, we're going to put this 23 to the place value. We say 3. 3 will be units and 2 tens. So we spot out the tens and we look at the number next to it is 3. 3 cannot give. Okay, it's supposed to be 5 or more. 2 will remain the same and 3 will become zeros. When we round it, it becomes 20. We look at the number we have 725. Now we're going to put in the place value. 5 is units and 2 is tens and 7 is 100. So we don't need this 100. We're going to write it as it is here. But we'll spot the tens, which is 2. The number next to it is 5. 5 can give 2 1. So 1 plus 2 will become 3. 2 will turn to 3 and 5 will become 0. Okay, here we have 148. So again, this is units, 4 is tens and 1 is 100. We write 1 as it is. Then we spot out the tens, which is 4. The number next to it is 8. 8 can give 1, so we say plus 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5 and 8 will become 0. Okay, we move on to another example. We have 33. 33. So here we have units and tens. Spot out the tens and then see the number next to it is 3. 3 is less than 5. So we're going to write 3 as it is and 0. Then we have 162. So 162 is 2 is units, 6 is tens and 1 is 100. So we write 100 as it is. We spot out the tens. Then the number next to it is 2. 2 is less than 5. So we cannot give 1. So 6 remains 6 and 2 becomes 0. We look at this example here. We have 107. So 7 is units, 0 is tens, and 1 is 100. So 1 will be as it is. Spot out tens, which is 0. The number next to it is 7. 7 can give 1, so we say 0 plus 1. So this 1 here, hundreds, will be as it is. And this 0 plus 1 will be 1, and 7 will be 0. Okay? Then we go to another number here. We have 129. 9 is units, 2 is tens, and 1 is 100. Spot out the tens. So we say next to it is 9. 9 is more than 5, so we'll give 1. 2 plus 1. So this one, we write it as it is, and 2 plus 1 is 3. 9 will be 0, so it will be 130. 156. 6 is units, 5 is tens, and 1 is hundreds. Okay, so here we spot out the tens, which is 5. The number next to it is 6, which is more than 5, so it will give 1. So we say 5 plus 1 will be 6, and this one we write as it is. 6 will become 0. Okay, 245. 5 is units, 4 is 10, and 2 is hundreds. So we spot out the 10, which is 4. Number next to it is 5. 5 can give 1 to 4. So 2, we write it as it is. 4 plus 1 will be 5, and 5 will be 0. Okay. The last one we say we have 296. So 6 is units, 9 is 10, and 2 is hundreds. So we say here, spot out the tens first. So we spot out tens, which is 9. 6 can give 9 1. So 9 will become 10. We write here will be 0, and 1 will go to 2. So 2 will become 3, and 9 here will become 0, and 6 also becomes 0. Okay, if you like this video, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Leave a comment, and thank you for watching.